Think light grey suits are too boring for summer? Most men avoid them completely, thinking they are either too formal for casual settings or too light to look serious in business. I'm about to prove that's completely wrong. A well-styled light grey suit is actually your secret weapon for looking effortlessly elegant when everyone else is struggling in heavy dark suits. Today, I'm showing you 5 essential combinations that will make you the best dressed man at any summer occasion. These aren't just outfit ideas, they are your complete roadmap to mastering light grey suiting yourself. Let's start with the foundation every man needs to know. First up, the combination that proves light grey suits can be absolutely sharp and professional. This is a light grey tropical wool suit with subtle blue pinstripes, paired with a crisp white Oxford pinpoint shirt and a blue patterned cotton silk tie. This is as classic as you can get. The white shirt creates that perfect clean contrast against the light grey, while the blue pattern tie picks up this subtle blue tone in the suit. It's sophisticated without being flashy. Any pocket square, like this beige pocket square with blue medaillons, styled in a casual puff fold, adds just enough personality while staying completely professional. A tropical wool suit is your summer game changer. It's lightweight, more breathable and makes you look incredibly sharp in summer. When would you wear this? Important meetings, business lunches, or anytime you want to project professionality while staying comfortable. This outfit says you understand classic menswear fundamentals. Pro tip, tropical wool gets its name from being lightweight enough for warm climates, while it's actually more structured than pure linen. You get breathability without sacrificing sharpness. This combination shows real style confidence. Here I'm using a blue Oxford pinpoint shirt with a pink silk tie and a green pocket square with small blue medaillons. This is how you add personality to light grey suiting. The blue shirt creates beautiful tone harmony with the suit's pinstripes, while the pink tie adds that unexpected pop of color that makes you memorable. Pink might seem bold, but it actually lends itself supremely to any grey suit. It's incredibly sophisticated, especially in summer when you want to show some personality. Notice the cream pocket square with blue medaillons. It bridges the blue shirt and pink tie perfectly. Casual puff fold keeps it relaxed and approachable. This combination works for creative business settings, daytime social events, or anytime you want to show you're not afraid of color. It's confident, modern, and completely summer appropriate. The beauty of light grey, it's the perfect neutral canvas that makes colors like pink look sophisticated instead of loud. For our third look, this is how you prove light grey suits can handle serious business. I'm back to a white shirt, but now with a navy gold and green regimental silk tie and a white pocket square in a presidential fold. The regimental stripe pattern is nowadays considered as one of the business and smart casual ties. The navy gold and green creates sophisticated color depth against the light grey, while the white pocket square in that sharp presidential fold adds true formality. This combination definitely destroys the myth that light suits can't be formal. The structured pocket square fold, the conservative tie pattern, the crisp white shirt. This is serious business elegance that happens to be perfectly appropriate in summer. Now for the most sophisticated combination, this might be my favorite because it shows real mastery of color combination. Blue shirt, light grey silk tie with reddish brown diamond motifs, and a red pocket square with blue accents in a 4 leaves fold. I usually say grey ties should be avoided with grey suits, but here the tie's diamond patterns add just enough contrast that it works. The red pocket square with blue accents helps tying everything together. It picks up the shirt color and complements the tie's warm tones perfectly. This isn't just about looking good, it's about understanding how colors interact and using that knowledge to create something truly special and evolve your very own style so that people will stop and tell you about your incredible taste. After all, these outfits are not the holy grail, but they provide you with the foundation to build your own tasteful and informed style to make you always feel your best. Finally, this combination will completely change how you think about light grey suits. I'm wearing just a black polo shirt with the same light grey suit. No tie, no pocket square, just clean modern sophistication. This destroys every preconception about suit styling. The black polo creates striking contrast against the light grey while maintaining that summer appropriate relaxed feeling. It's contemporary, it's confident, and it proves that suits don't have to be formal to be incredibly stylish. The tropical wool fabric makes this work. It's structured enough to maintain the suit's shape but relaxed enough to feel casual with the polo. You get all the style benefits of tailoring with the comfort of weekend wear. When would you wear this? Weekend dinners, casual dates, summer parties, or any time you want to look effortlessly put together without being overdressed. This is modern menswear at its best. Sophisticated but never stuffy. When building a wardrobe, this fundamental has always been proven to succeed. The best investment pieces work across multiple dress codes. This light grey suit just proved it can handle everything, from boardroom to beach club. So here you have it, 5 essential ways to style a light grey suit that prove it's anything but boring. From classic foundation to modern casual. This is your complete summer suiting roadmap. Which combination should you try first? Start with the classic foundation. White shirt, blue tie, neutral pocket square. It builds confidence and works everywhere. Once you've mastered that, experiment with the color combinations that match your personality. The key insight, light grey is the ultimate summer suit color because it's sophisticated enough for business but relaxed enough for social settings. You stay comfortable, look sharp, and never feel overdressed. Which of these 5 approaches resonated most with you? Are you ready to add a light grey suit to your summer wardrobe? Let me know in the comments. And if this changed your perspective on light grey suiting, hit that like button and subscribe for more summer style solutions.